TMaxx Metallic Neptune Blue right here on this Cybertruck. First time you've seen it from T-Sportline. We just finished putting this PPF on it, and this is a unique color. This is TMaxx Metallic Neptune Blue. Call it a dark blue, close to black, with a little bit of metallic in there. It's a very unique color. You're not gonna see a lot of these running around. We do a lot of blacks, but this is a cool new color that's gonna give you your own unique vibe. And if you like a little hint of blue and a touch of metallic, I think this is the way to go. Not only did this customer pick a new and unique color, but this is something we don't do every day. He went for a straight up PPF look. There's no badging at all on this vehicle. We don't have Foundation Series badges. We don't have Cyber Beast. It never says Tesla and it doesn't say Cybertruck, but it's such a polarizing look. You know exactly what this thing is. And that's a wrap for TMaxx Metallic Neptune Blue. Guys, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video, what you think of this color, and what you think of wrapping it without any badges or logos put on it. All right, everybody, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Come back soon. We got a lot more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.